Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking Side, and today I am going to make Italian famous dish called arancini. So let's start with arancini. For this we need onion mushroom, oyster mushroom butter, thyme garlic, porcini powder truffle paste arborio rice parmesan cheese. First we will melt the butter, then we will add garlic to it. Then add thyme. We'll mix in this way, then we will add on to it. Then we will mix a little in this way, then we will add mushrooms to it. Oyster mushroom, button mushroom. We'll add truffle paste. We'll add porcini powder. And mix like this and with arborio rice, and then we will put in that. Now we will make vegetable stock. We'll mix like this. Then add salt, black pepper. And then mix it. This way we'll slow cook. Then we will add parmesan cheese and mix it again. We'll cook in this way and then keep it in the chiller for 1 hour to cool down. So that it cools down. Then in this way its balls will be made. Then dusted in flour, egg washed and crumbed. And see, our arancini is ready. It is ready very well. Then we will deep fry it. Like this. And ours is absolutely ready. Now we will do the plating. For plating we will take tomato basil sauce. And in this way we will make this filling. Add a little truffle oil and add parmesan cheese for topping and mix crush. So for garnish. Friends, how well our arancini is ready, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.